taken notes, you might have encountered this extremely common situation. Your notes become extremely messy after a point of time. And when you go back later to your notes, you find that it's difficult to search for the information that you're looking for. This is because you have written down everything in one place and you have not added any structure to your notes. However, there is a simple way to fix such notes, and that way is to use AI. The problem arises from the distinction between writing and organizing. When you start writing a note, you're just noting down the thoughts as they come to you, and you're not worrying about organizing them. And that's really the right way to take notes. However, organizing those notes later is actually hard, and it's not something that we would like to do because we have spent all the effort into writing the notes in the first place. The problem that arises if you do not organize the notes is that many different thoughts are mixed together in a single note. For example, this paragraph talks about different kinds of things in notes. Next, we have an example. And next, we have a thought about what happens when you come back to review those notes. So, now what happens when you want to review some of the ideas is that you start reading this entire note all over again just to find that one thing you're looking for. And that quickly gets very frustrating. The interesting part is you do not have to do all of this organizing manually. You can actually use AI to do the first pass for you. It takes just a few seconds. Let's see how. So let's look at a simple example of how to organize your messy note by using AI. So here I've opened an AI tool, ChatGPT, but you're free to use any AI tool of your choice. I'm going to paste my messy note into this, and I'm going to give it this simple instruction. Organize this note into clear sections with headings. Separate the ideas properly and use bullet points where needed. Keep it simple and easy to revise. Okay, so let's paste this prompt along with our note into ChatGPT or any other AI tool and see what it comes up with. Let's take a minute to compare our messy note with the organized version provided by the AI tool. As we looked at already, the messy note contains a bunch of different ideas stacked together without any sense of hierarchy or organization. Let's now look at the organized note version that ChatGPT has given us. You see that the notes are now categorized into different bullet points. The first bullet point talks about the importance of taking notes. The second talks about a common problem in notes. The third provides an example of the issue. And the fourth talks about difficulty while revising your note. The fifth bullet point talks about challenges in structuring notes. Finally, the last bullet point talks about not having connections in your notes. And you can see that the organized version also ends with a key takeaway that helps you quickly get to the main point of this note. The key idea behind this entire effort is not about using AI. AI is just a tool that helps us to organize the notes. AI helps us by reducing the effort required to organize your messy notes. But you're not using AI to replace your thinking. Your originally messy note was fine. It contained all of the thinking that you had done. You're using AI to remove the repetitive work involved in organizing the notes by rereading the note and separating it into different sections. We looked at how to take a messy note and use AI to organize it. Now, this is already very powerful. But you can imagine, what if you combine this with a simple note-taking system? All this becomes much more effective because now your notes are not just faster to write, they're also much easier to use and extract insights from.